I've been doing this makeup look since a while now, and today I'm going to show you how I do it. So it's pretty simple. The clean girl makeup look just stands for moisture, glow and gold jewelry. So you need to wear gold jewelry, golden hoops, golden necklaces, golden whatever you have. It looks very like put together when you're wearing golden jewelry. Have a sleek hairstyle. And what else? Glow and moisture. We need to show that on our face. So first things first, make sure you have your face well prepped and all the skincare is already done. I have already my skincare on and my skin is well moisturized. Next, I'm just going to apply some glowing potion so that my skin looks healthy and glowing. And the glowing potion is nothing but a glowing primer. You can use the MAC Stroke Cream, or if you find this a bit expensive for you, there's another dupe which is affordable, which is the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. Both of them work really well. Today I'm going to be using this one because I personally love this one a lot. So, and I pretty much use this on the days I want to, go for this look. And usually I, do this makeup look when I'm going for college, but I just love it. Even if I'm going out on a date or something, I even do this look and it looks so great. This is actually a really good primer in the affordable Indian market. It's just so good. You can see that layer of shine it has added onto my skin. It's surreal. And I love the fragrance of this product. I don't know what they have inside this, but the fragrance is also really nice. For this look, I don't usually apply any heavy bases. I like to go for that natural sheer skin-like makeup or base. So I use a tinted sunscreen. If you wish, you can use any BB or CC cream or any light coverage base product you have available with you. Just remember that there is no right or wrong way of doing this. It's totally up to you. You can also interchange things or products that I am using during this tutorial. Whatever suits you is right, babe. So I've currently been using this tinted sunscreen. I don't know if this is yet available in India, but it's a very beautiful product. It's La Roche-Posay's Anthelios UV Immune 400 Protection Sunscreen. It is oil control gel cream and it is tinted. I will be linking all the products down in the description box below for you guys. You can check these out. And this particular product is quite like thick, so I just use one pump of it. It's a really great product and it's very easy to blend with your fingers, so you don't need to, use extra brushes or anything to blend this product out. Plus, your skin also is protected from the sun and it's amazing. At this stage, you are already done with your makeup base, but I like to go a step further and I like to use a concealer. If you don't want to use a concealer or you don't feel like there's a need of a concealer, you can completely skip this concealer step. To set the concealer, I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder just to set all the areas wherein I've applied concealer so it doesn't crease out. For the eyebrows, I'm just going to use this Wow Brow Setting Gel by e.l.f. and just set my brows a little bit because it's just about a natural looking makeup look. Now for the eyes, you can simply leave it like this, but I like to add a bit of, glittery shadow to make it look more beautiful. So you have two options here. I have the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in the shade golden pink, and I have the same similar shade in KIRO, which is a Longwear Brightening eyeshadow stick in the shade Peachy Gold. So both of them are really same. I'm just going to swatch the KIRO one here, as you can see, and I'm going to swatch the Bobbi Brown one next to it so you can compare both the shades. The Bobbi Brown one is a bit more lighter in comparison to the KIRO one, but both of them look really well. For today's look, I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown one, and it's very easy to use and super travel friendly. Like, it's a product that I've been loving using, and I just take and apply some of it in the inner corner and not till the end of the eyelid but till the middle of the eye. And I just randomly apply this like this. Okay, and then I would take my finger and blend it nicely. So it looks blended and without any harsh lines. It basically adds a bit of extra glow or shimmer to your eyes, which looks really beautiful. Next, I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. Now to add some warmth onto my face, I'm going to use the Glowish Soft Bronzing Radiance Powder, and I'm just going to very light-handedly and very roughly apply some bronzer to my face. This is an optional step, but I really like the warmth it adds to the face. You can completely skip this, but it's a nice additional step to do because it really adds a nice color to your face. Now, the most crucial thing of this entire makeup look is blusher. That's the step you cannot miss. Even if you just apply the sunscreen and you don't do the bronzer and concealer, you can directly move on to blush and you're good to go. But since I like to do things a bit more extra, I do these. And this is a step you cannot miss. It's the main character or the main thing of this entire look. And I'm just going to use this cream blush by Simply Nam. This is their Velvet Cream Magic Blush in the shade
rosy pink. Sorry,
Partner in Crime, and this is a rosy pink color. You can see the color is so pretty. I'm just going to take this brush and dip it onto the blush and very light-handedly in patting motions apply the blush. It's a very beautiful rosy pink color. As you can see, it adds like a natural flush to your skin, which is something I really like about this product. This is buildable, so be very gentle while applying it. Now to set this up, I use another blush. So I layer 2 different blushes so that this doesn't fade, because blushes tend to fade very easily. So it's essential to set the cream blush with the powder blush to increase the longevity of it, but just apply very less because we don't really want to mattify the blush. Just sort of, what do you say, set it up so it doesn't fade out easily. Next thing I like to do is take a highlighter. This is the M.A.C Soft and Gentle Highlighter, and I just highlight under my brow bones for that extra highlight. And I also highlight in my inner corners. You can see it adds some difference and dimension to your eyes. And I also like to take a bit of it and apply it just on the top of my this bone, cheekbone. Lastly, you're just gonna go for a nude or lip, and I'm using the Nykaa Chocolate Boy lip liner, which is one of my favorite lip liners, and I'm gonna overline my lips just like this. And I'm gonna fill in my lips with the Nykaa Matte-illicious lip crayon in the shade Next Level Nude. You can literally stop here because this is the makeup look, but I like to add a bit of glossiness to the lip, and I'm using the Huda Beauty cream lipstick in the shade Hustla to add a bit of gloss. The lipstick is a mess, to be honest. I don't like the formulation for the bar, but the effect on the lips is really pretty. And this is my clean girl makeup look on Indian skin and looks absolutely gorgeous. And this is it. This is how it turned out. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this makeup look? And it looks beautiful. You can literally wear this anywhere and everywhere. To be honest, you can wear this to college, you can wear this to any functions you have, any date nights, any outings, or just every day. This looks so beautiful and amazing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and join our family. It would really mean a lot to me. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. And see you in the next one. Till then, please take care and keep on smiling. Mwah. Bye.